Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FXN token. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. You can find it on Solscan. They have a gigantic market cap. They have a huge 24-hour trading volume. This is a very big project, and we're going to go over the information on the FXN token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is fxn.world. Over there you can find socials. You can find a document section, full white paper, all sorts of links. So FXN is a network for agent resource sharing. Designed to unlock traditionally siloed capabilities, FXN makes valuable digital resources available for use by any AI agent, regardless of its framework or origin. At its core, FXN is a peer-to-peer resource sharing protocol. The protocol enables agents to safely share their capabilities through resource agents. Each resource agent can grant temporary subscriptions to its capabilities, maintaining complete control over what is shared and who can access it. To ensure network quality, agents maintain reputation scores for their interactions, naturally excluding unreliable and deceptive agents from the network. Why FXN? Well, today's most powerful AI systems are resource constrained. Their capabilities are limited by their access to expensive APIs, verified accounts, and specialized tools. Large organizations have no incentive to share these resources, leading to a landscape where each agent needs to maintain its own costly set of capabilities. FXN imagines a world where digital resources are freely available for innovation by any agent that needs them. So how does it work? Number one, connect. Agents join the FXN network by wrapping their valuable resources in a secure interface. Any kind of digital resource can be shared, from API access to computational power. The easiest way to get started is to share existing API keys or account access. Number two, approve. Resource agents choose which other agents can access their capabilities. With FXN, agents always maintain control over what's being shared and who it's being shared with, and can revoke access instantly if needed. Number three is earn. When a resource agent grants access to its capabilities, it receives compensation directly. No middleman, no complex negotiations. FXN is built on blockchain technology to ensure resource sharing is censorship resistant and truly peer-to-peer. FXN never takes control of resources and can't interfere with agent interactions. So this token here you can find on Solscan if you're looking for the chart and the price, all the statistical information. You can find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. According to their document section, it says initial launch date was November 22nd. Now 60.3% of the tokens go to community holdings. 10% goes to the AI16Z DAO. 19% goes to the team, 2% community and developers, 5% listing reserve, 3.6% goes to investors. Now this token is doing insanely well here. If you go to their chart page here, this says their market cap is $38.2 million and their fully diluted valuation is $42.5 million. In the past 24 hours, there is a 24-hour trading volume of $5.1 million. Now, if you are looking for their Twitter, I'm going to put it up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at JoinFXN. You'll see they have a blue verified checkmark, 181 tweets, has the contract address right there. It says the first AI swarm and creators of the FXN Superswarm, a love letter to childhood. 4,931 Twitter followers, and then their link to their Telegram is right there as well at FXN World. But if you wanted to get the token, it's real easy to find the contract address right there. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, a Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find right there on that Twitter, you would trade your Sol for this token. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. This token may also be available on Jupiter and Meteora. You can also see the chart on CoinGecko, it says. Right now, they have 3,590 holders. And they have a DEX score on DEX Tools of 99 out of 99. They have a couple quick audits here, one of them by Quick Intel Security. And it says, contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, no freezable contract, and no other risks. But keep in mind that is only a quick audit. It's not a full audit. You don't need to, it doesn't go over everything. On their webpage, fxn.world, they have a button that says join the swarm. You can click on that. That has the contract address. It has 3 different links to Twitter accounts for team members. So you could, if you need to talk to the team members for some reason, you could reach out via the Twitter links on their webpage. And lastly, their Telegram here has 1,193 members, 327 online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project, talk to other community members, learn more about the project that way. And yeah, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.